Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you all. In this video we will be discussing the unique VW Beetle modifications. So buckle up and let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the history of the VW Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle, also known as VW Bug, is one of the most iconic cars in history. It was first introduced in Germany in 1938 by the German car manufacturer Volkswagen. The Beetle was designed by Ferdinand Porsche, who was commissioned by Adolf Hitler to create a car that was affordable and practical for the average German family. However, World War II put a halt to the production of the Beetle, and the factory was converted to produce military vehicles for the German army. After the war, the factory was taken over by the British Army and later handed over to the German government. It wasn't until 1945 that the production of the Beetle resumed. In the 1950s, the Beetle gained popularity in the United States due to its unique design and affordable price. It became a symbol of the counterculture movement and was often associated with hippies and peace activities. In 1955, Volkswagen opened a factory in Mexico where they produced Beetles for the North American market. Over the years, the Beetle underwent several design changes and upgrades, including a larger engine and modern amenities such as air conditioning and power windows. In 1968, the Beetle became the first selling car in history, surpassing the Ford Model T. However, by the 1970s, competition from other car manufacturers and changing consumer preferences led in a decline in sales of the Beetle. Volkswagen eventually stopped production of the car in Germany in 1978, but continued to produce Beetles in Mexico until 2003. In 1998, Volkswagen released a new version of the Beetle known as the New Beetle. It was designed to resemble the original Beetle but with modern features and technology. The New Beetle was a hit with consumers and helped revive interest in the iconic car. In 2011, Volkswagen announced that they would be discontinuing the New Beetle, citing declining sales and shift in consumer preferences towards SUVs and crossovers. However, in 2019, Volkswagen released a new version of the Beetle known as Final Edition, which marketed the end of the production for the iconic car. Today, the Volkswagen Beetle remains a beloved classic car and a symbol of bygone era. Its unique design and cultural significance have made it an enduring icon of the automotive industry. Unique VW Beetle modifications. The Volkswagen Beetle has been a popular car for decades, and its unique design has inspired countless modifications by owners worldwide. From custom paint jobs to engine swaps, there are endless ways to personalize and enhance the Beetle. One of the most popular modifications is lowering the car's suspension. This gives the Beetle a slicker, more aggressive look and improves handling. Some owners even go further and install air suspension, which allows them to adjust the ride height on the fly. Another popular modification is adding wider wheels and tires. This not only improves the car's appearance but also provides better traction and handling. Some owners opt for custom wheels with unique designs or finishes to make their Beetles stand out even more. Custom paint jobs are also a favorite among Beetle owners. From simple stripes and graphics to intricate murals, there are endless possibilities when it comes to customizing the car's exterior. Some owners even go as far as to completely change the color of the car, turning it into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Engine swaps are another common modification among Beetle enthusiasts. While the original air-cooled engine is reliable and easy to work on, some owners prefer to install more powerful engines from other Volkswagen models or even other brands entirely. This can dramatically increase the car's performance and give it a unique sound. Interior modifications are also popular among Beetle owners. Some opt for custom upholstery or seats to add a personal touch to the car's interior. Others install modern technology such as touchscreen displays or upgraded sound systems for a more comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Finally, some Beetle owners take their modification to the extreme by completely transforming the car's appearance. This can include adding body kits, wide fenders, or even converting the car into a pickup truck or an off-road vehicle. Overall, the Volkswagen Beetle has inspired countless modifications over the years, and its unique design continues to be a canvas for owners to express their creativity and individuality. Whether it's a subtle modification or a complete transformation, there is no limit to what can be done with the Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle is the most widely customized car because of its unique design and long history. The Beetle has been in production since the 1930s, and its iconic shape has remained largely unchanged. This has made it a favorite among car enthusiasts who appreciate its simplicity and classic style. In addition to its design, the Beetle is also known for its reliability and ease of maintenance. Its air-cooled engine is simple to work on and parts are readily available. This has made it a popular choice for those who want to modify their cars without breaking the bank. Finally, the Beetle has a strong community of enthusiasts who are passionate about the car and its history. This community has helped to keep the Beetle alive and relevant, even as other cars have come and gone. As a result, there are countless resources available for those who want to customize their Beetles, from forums and online communities to specialized shops and suppliers. Well, dear viewers, that wraps up our today's video on the unique modifications of the VW Beetle. We hope you have found these modifications inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you all for watching until the end. Drive safe and enjoy the thrill of driving your modified VW Beetle. Take care and see you in the next video.